Hey everyone, welcome back on my channel. In today's video, I solve another cryptarithmetic numerical. So let's start. Then, in first step, what we do? We write all possible carry. That is, possible carry of this is C1, C2, and C3, C4. And next thing, we got this j value because of this carry C4, and we know that possible value of C4 is 0 or 1. So we take possible value C4 is 0 or 1, but we know that leftmost value never be 0, so that we take value of C4 is 1, so that we got value of j is 1. So here we take value of C4 equal to 1. That's why we got value of j equal to 1. Okay, now here we take maximum value of m, so that we add 1 carry to this value, then we got 1 carry in final output. Means what are the maximum possible value of m, in which we add 1 carry, so that we got 1 carry as a final output. That possible value is 9. In 9 we add 1 carry, then we got 1 carry as a output, that is 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Then in 10 we got 1 carry as a output, so that we take value of m is equal to 9 and value of C3 equal to 1, so that we got 9 plus 1, that is 10. That's why we got value of O is equal to 0. Okay, now we make equation for this column. Okay, that is m plus a plus carry C2 equal to C plus 10 into this carry C3. We already find that value of C3 is 1. So here we write the value of C3, and we already know that value of m is equal to 9. So here we put the value of m, that is 9 plus a plus C2 equal to C plus 10 into 1, that is 10. We know that possible value of C1 is 0 or 1. If we take value of C2 is 1, then we got a plus 10 in LHS. Okay, but you know that when we add any value in 10, then we got same value at unit place. Means if we add a in 10, then we got value a at unit place. Means here we take value of C2 is equal to 1, then we got a at unit place, but here there is different value. It is not similar to this value. Here a, but here is C. So we take value of C2 equal to 0. So we got final equation 9 plus a equal to C2 is equal to 0. 9 plus a equal to C plus 10. Let's assume this is equation A. Now we make equation for this column, that is C plus R equal to O plus 10 into C1. Here value of O is equal to 0, so we got C plus R equal to 10 into C1. If we take here possible value of C1 is 0 or 1, If we take value of c1 equal to 0, then we got c plus r equal to 0, but this value is not possible. If we take c plus r equal to 0 means take the possible combination of c and r so that we add this value and we got 0 as a final output, but this is not possible. So we take value of c1 equal to 1. So here we take value of c1 is equal to 1. So we got c plus r equal to 10. Let's assume this is equation B. Now we make another equation for this column, that is a plus a plus c1, that is carry c1 equal to k plus 10 into c carry c2. Here value of c1 we already find out that value of c1 is 1 and value of c2 is 0. c1 equal to 1, value of c2 is equal to 0. Okay, so here we write value of c1 and c2, and value we got 2a plus c1 is equal to 1 and k plus value of c2 is equal to 0. That's why we got 0. This is, so we got this equation as final equation, that we assume this equation as C. From this equation we come on one conclusion, that is 2a plus 1 equal to k, means it is unit value, means 2a plus 1 is less than 10 because here k is a unit value, and unit value we know that it unit value start from 0 and last value is 9. So we say that value of 2a plus 1 is less than 10. Okay, so possible value of a is, it will be 0 or 1, but 0 and 1 already occupied, so 0 1 is not possible, but 2 is possible, 3 is also possible, 4 is not possible, because if you take this value is 4, then you got 4 into 2, that is 8 plus 1 equal to 9. You got k equal to 9, but 9 value is already occupied by m, so 4 is not possible. There is only two possible value of a, that is 2 and 3. Now we take possible value of a is equal to 2 and we put this value in equation B. So we put this value a equal to 2 in equation B. Then we got 9 plus value of a is 2 equal to c plus 10. Then we got c is equal to 1, but this value is not possible because value 1 is already occupied by j, so a is equal to 2 is not possible. Hence we take value of a is equal to 3. Then we again put this value in equation a. Then we got 9 plus value of a is 3 equal to c plus 10. Then we got value of c is equal to 2. This value is not occupied by any other variable, hence we got c is equal to 2, and put this value in equation B. Then you got 2 plus r equal to 10, then r equal to 8. You got value of r is equal to 8. Now put the value of a in equation C. then you got 2 into value of a, with a 3 plus 1 equal to k. K equal to, we got k equal to 7, that is k equal to 7. Now we write all the value, that is c is equal to 2, r is equal to 8, k is equal to 7, a equal to 3. So I hope you understood. So this enough for today. Bye.